Well, a public-private partnership to make low-cost rapid testing available to all New Yorkers is now underway. Last week, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo announced the launch of the New York Forward Rapid Test Program to help small businesses safely reopen. He says 11 initial testing sites in New York City will kick off the program, with upstate sites planned. Cuomo believes expanding access to rapid testing allows businesses and entertainment centers to safely get back open.
It will accelerate our economic reopening prior to reaching herd immunity where everybody has a vaccine, which is June, July. February, March, April, May, June, July. Let's accelerate that period of time. And I think testing is going to be an opportunity to do that.
The governor's office says this network provides an additional layer of protection and confidence, and it anticipates future state guidelines that will increase capacity limits contingent upon testing.